Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I am going to discuss page navigation in Power BI Visual. Okay, let's say if you want to jump on a specific page in Power BI reports, you will be able to do that. Okay, but how? Even if you want to go back on the previous page, if you want to go back on next page, you will be able to do that. But let's see how to do that part. Okay. So if you let's say you are ready to create the Power BI reports, and this is what my R visual. Okay, so I will change this page to R visuals. Then let's say I have another visual where I will say sales by country, and here I will create the one visual. Okay, and if I say sales by country, okay, I'm just using Q&A territory country. And if I pin this, so it will be a normal visual the way we create the visuals here. And if I create the pie chart, yes, it is possible to create the pie chart also very easily. Okay, so that's not our concern. Our concern is okay. You may want to create the first page in your report as a navigation page. So here you can say navigation and summary page. Okay, navigation and summary page. Okay, so first page is my R visual, second page is my country. Okay, and let's say you may want to insert the some text here. So there is something called, if you go to the insert tab, there is something called text. I think there is in home tab also we have option to insert the text box. So you can go and select the text box. Then what you can do, you can say here report navigation. Okay, so whatever the content you like, you can add, and I will make this size as a 20. Then I will say this is of white color. Okay, and if I go to the properties, okay, in case of effect, so there is a background, and I will select this as a background color. Okay, then uh, I want this to be at center. Okay, and then if you want to make this vertically center, so you need to go to these general setting options, and you need to find out, okay, either you can increase the size, that is even better. But report navigation, this is what my heading for this title or this page. Then instead of page here, I will not say this page. Okay, I will say navigation and summary. This is what I want. Okay, fine. So just for the demo purpose, I have created. Okay, you can find more settings related to formatting of this text box here. And accordingly, you can do the formatting. That's not our interest. Our interest is to create the page navigation. So how to create? Okay, so if I come here, I'm just adding the new page. I'm going to write something here on this page. Okay, and if I say jump to our visuals page. Okay, so you can have the page name difference. You can use that. That is what the required. Okay, if I select the let's say I want this color as my text color, then I will make this as a 14. Okay, and I would like to add the more properties. Okay, not transparency and all. Okay, this should be at center. I don't want to do that. Okay, let's say I would like to add the shadow box. So this is how I have created one text box, sample text box. And in front of that, if you want to jump on that, either you can select these, but yes, instead of this, okay, you will not be able to add the action to the text box. So to add the actions, meaning if you want to jump on any specific, you need a object. So you can go and here you can select either the buttons or any shape you can use. Okay, so I will use this right arrow, and this is what my right arrow. And here on this right arrow, you will be able to add the actions. Okay, just select this arrow, go to the action. Here there is something called, in the format, there is something called action. If you enable this action and if you open these, okay, so there is type. So you have to select the type as an page navigation. Okay, the moment you select the page navigation, okay, let me select this visual once again back, and then page navigation we have selected, but destination you have to select. Okay, once you click on this, what should happen, which page it should open or it should jump? I will say sales by country. Okay, I will say sales by country. It is fine. Okay, and now action is defined. If you come here, okay, there is a pop-up. You can say that control plus click to follow the link, and if I press the control button and hit the click, it will jump to that specific. Like this, you can create the navigation links for various pages. Your reports may have hundreds of pages. That is possible. Okay. Not only the what we can say that not only the shapes, but you can use the image also, you can use these arrows also, but these are the specific types of buttons. Okay, if I come here, okay, let's say, and this is what my R visual, and if I would like to add the left arrow, it will come there. Okay, if I add right arrow, so here right arrow is coming, I will bring that right arrow here. Okay, and you can define the next page. Okay, go to the action on it. If you want to jump, create the page navigation for next page, so you will be able to do that. Okay, you can select either specific or the page you want. An action is defined. Now if I go and simply press the control button and hit the click, it will, okay, so it will move there. Then similarly, for this left arrow, you can add action to jump on the previous page. So I will say page 2, and then if I say navigation and summary, okay, this is what you have to select. Once your selection is done, just go to the visual or the mouse, press the control button and hit the click. You will be able to do that. Okay, so like this you can create the page navigations for your reports in Power BI. Okay, I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel.